Let's begin our lecture with the name of Allah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student. It's math lecture number 4 of third term for class 1. Today we learn multiplication of 4s and 5s. Let's start with count in 4s. Count in 4s, we skip 3 numbers and jump to the 4th number. Here is our tiger who jumped 3 numbers, which is 1, 2 and 3, and jump to the number 4. Now it skips 3 numbers and jump to the 4th number, 8. Now again it skips 3 numbers and jump to the number 12. After skipping 3 numbers 13, 14, 15, it jumps to the number 16. After skipping 3 numbers again, it jumps to the number 20. Now we can do the question count in 4s and write the missing numbers. We start with the number 4. We skip 3 numbers 5, 6, 7 and write 8 here. After skipping 3 numbers 13, 14, 15, we write 16 here, and after skipping 3 numbers 21, 22, 23, we write 24. With the help of counting in 4s, you can write table of 4, and now you easily learn it. After learning the table of 4, you can answer 6 4s are 24 and 4 4s are 16. Now we have a word problem. How many legs do the following have? Here we have 3 elephants, 1, 2 and 3. Each elephant have 4 legs. So we multiply 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12. So 3 elephants have 12 legs. Now we will start count in 5s. Here is a number line. To count in 5s, we skip 4 number and jump to the 5th number. Here is a bird who skipped number 1, 2, 3 and 4 and jump to the number 5. After skipping 4 number, it jumps to the 5th number, that is 10. After skipping 4 number, it jumps to the 5th number, which is 15. Now it jumps to the 15. It skips again 4 number and jump to the 5th number, that is the number 20. Now on page 103, we have a question. Count in 5s and write the missing number. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. After 40, Yes, 45 and 50. On page 104, we have a question: how many fingers on 5 hands? Here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 hands. Each 5 hand have 5 fingers. 5 fives are 25. So 5 hands have 25 fingers. Now each of 6 cats have 5 kittens. How many kittens altogether? Here we multiply number 5 and 6. 5 6 are 30. So there are 30 kittens altogether. Now it's time for homework. Practice these questions and complete page 100, question 1, 101, question 4, 103, 104, 109, question 2 and 4. Thank you. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.